Hello, welcome to my channel Cooking with Amelia. Today I'm going to show you on how to make orange sorbetto. First, in a bowl, add 1.5 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of half and half, 3 cups of orange juice, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of orange zest, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix together. You may add some orange food coloring if you want to. Then cover and refrigerate for a few hours. Then pour into your ice cream maker and mix together for about 30 minutes. Put the sorbetto into a container and freeze for a few hours or up to overnight.